Hey guys, welcome and thanks for choosing Confessions of a Scrum Master, the Scrum Case Studies training course. Scrum is a simple method for managing and completing even the most complex project. Based on my experience, it has also been the #1 reason why projects have delivered on time. But one question, what happens when things don't go according to plan? Or even when things go horribly wrong? Yes, wrong. Well, whether you are a Scrum Master, project manager, product owner, team member, or simply someone who wants the answer to the question, how do I handle difficult situations on my projects? This class is for you. If you are looking for case studies or lessons learned to improve your development methods, working with teams, or delivering your project, then this is definitely the class for you. As well as CEO of Passion Consulting Limited, I have experience in international companies dating back to 1999. That includes experience leading projects for the BBC, General Electric, Oracle, B-Sky-B, Razorfish, and Hit Entertainment, among others. In this class, I will give you 7 short stories based on my real-life experiences, and you will learn the following. Learn what happens when a mistake with the requirements means choosing between an electronic tool and paper-based requirements. Find out how the team react when a long planning meeting goes wrong and tempers flare. Learn how a new team with strong views react to using new project methods and how to improve the situation. Find out what happens when the team have to choose between preparing for an urgent demo and holding their daily coordination meeting. Learn how the team are opposed to planning using tasks and how to explain it to them. See what happens when a retrospective becomes a heated situation and how to resolve it. Learn how a project is affected when their product is riddled with bugs and defects and how to resolve the issue. Each confession is a fun cartoon with a lessons learned section at the end, so you know how to improve your team or your business. So there you have it. Click the button to take this course now and improve your projects now with Confessions of a Scrum Master, the Scrum Case Studies training course. See you on the inside.